Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here, Safi Financial Network. Here is a quick update for Tesla, June 5, 2025. All right, so I know that everyone is talking about news. Trump, Elon, they're just going against each other. They hate each other right now, which they were lover before. But it doesn't mean that price is going to go down because if you haven't watched my video previously, we just mentioned about the correction and potential correction to this level. And also, if you remember yesterday, exactly yesterday, I was talking about this nice head and shoulder to the downside in 4 hours chart. So here is the 4 hours chart, and we see that this is triggered today based on news, obviously, but the pattern already formed itself, and we were waiting for this one. So is it gonna be a good time for Tesla to buy or kind of like a runaway and sell? I would say this is going to be a good buying opportunity, even if it goes lower, because the bullish momentum still is there. It is not a crazy moment for Tesla. It is going to be a good momentum for investors and traders because it's going to go back again to the bullish momentum. So we saw that here is the higher high, higher low. And obviously, we are just going down to test this institutional level in daily chart. And also, we just got into oversold condition and stochastic momentum. So wait for RSI to get here. Probably it takes a couple days, but this is a good institutional level. This is a nice sharp decline, and we're going to see potentially tomorrow or even next week or so, next few weeks, you're gonna see this one is going back up. So it doesn't mean that if it's gonna go straight up to the upside or kind of like a targeting 400 level that I'm just saying before, it means that we are gonna see a choppy consolidation or kind of like a choppy movement down the road. So it's not gonna be easy time for Elon. It's not gonna be easy time for Tesla. But I would say still the bullish momentum is there. This is a sharp correction and potentially it's going to have like good supporters even from the political sides. Potentially people are going to have Elon's back, or even from the business standpoint, you will see that the numbers is going to growing and everything is getting back to normal as Elon is just focusing on Tesla right now. I know that the tension is there in media and titles, everything is kind of like a messy, but I would say this is going to be a pattern for technical perspective. If you just see that this is a nice short opportunity. So this is nice head and shoulder here, trigger to the downside, sharp momentum. This is a nice demand area. So we got into this demand area. We just needed for this one and wait for kind of like a forming the base for another rally, potentially to higher high to 400 level, potentially months of July. So we will see this is a nice head and shoulder here as well for Tesla that initiate this sell-off. So I would say this is the institution level that we need to test. All right, I finished. I should cover everything here. So what do you think? Is it going to be a good time for buy, or we should be greedy, or we should just sell and run away? Have a great day. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.